Hi there, I'm Peter Millard at 10 Minute Workshop, and in today's really quick video I've got a quick tip for you about making homemade parallel guides and using them for waist side cuts. That's coming up next. Hi, just a quick one. Somebody asked me the other day they'd seen my rail jigs and parallel guides video number 035A, because I got the numbers wrong. And I made some sort of the rail jigs that I use for my Festool LR32 system, holy rail thing. They calculate the offset where the holes are going to go, and you can do the same in reverse to give yourself a sort of parallel guide to make repetitive cuts accurately. And somebody asked me in the comments the other day, somebody had picked up the old video, and they asked me if that would also work for cutting on the waist side. And I said, yeah, sure, no reason why not. You'd have to allow for the thickness of the blade, obviously, but it's only a couple of mil. Anyway, it turns out I'm trying it out myself today because my timber yard's really busy. I'm a bit late getting a cut list in. I need 11 at 330 mil by 995, which is what I'm doing here, cutting full sheets in the workshop. Woo! So I've just made these little parallel guides. Again, just real simple little things. Hang on, I'm going to put you on a tripod actually. There, that's better. So yeah, I've made these simple little parallel guides for 330 mil, and all it is, just like the ones before, you've got a slot in this that goes over the the spine. I've lost for words. The lump in the rail, anyway, it sits over that and locks on tight. And I'll just put a stop in for exactly 330 mil plus the 2 mil for the curve. Obviously, I made these up as a single piece and cut them in half, so I know they're exactly the same. And then, so all you've got to do, you slot them over your rail, bring the rail to the edge of the workpiece, and then just pull it up snug. And that's it. Accurate, repetitive cuts every time. So there we are, 11 off 330 by 995, all done quickly and easily with a couple of parallel guides just made from scrap and some double-sided tape. If you're working on the offside like this, you've got to allow for the saw curve, so a couple of mil in my case. But yeah, quick and easy, costs almost nothing, and massively speeds up your production. Gets a thumbs up from me. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.